On the 25th of April, a massive earthquake hit Nepal. It severely shook the lives of over 5 million people. Hundreds of thousands are homeless, major cities are badly damaged and rural areas completely cut off by avalanches. Thousands are confirmed dead and this figure is rising. People have nowhere safe to go and are sleeping on the streets. The DEC is working to provide shelter, food, clean water and blankets. You can help by making a donation now. Please visit dec.org.uk or telephone 0370 60 60 900. To donate £5, text SUPPORT to 70000. Thank you.